Before moving to the initial video, I want and had a two heart chat with you guys. And the first thing I want to tell you about is I want you all to get some initial and nice knowledge from this audiobooks that I am providing so that you can grow in your life. And by subscribing and giving us a little appreciation, we will be able to make more content like that, and so that we as a community and as a group can grow together. I will let you know about the new books I'm posting, and the audiobooks I'll be giving in a few months or days. I don't know actually whatever time it's take, but it has so much to do with what you guys want and what want. Look, we both are at a stage where we all want to grow. So if you guys can provide us some value, so I promise you that I will take care of the needs and the requests of you, and I will make sure that every single audiobook I post gives you some knowledge, some content, and some clarity in your life so that you can grow bigger and have a very grateful and healthy life. So this one video which you are currently watching is going to help you a lot and give you a lot more value in your life if you are a content creator, or let's just say you want to create content in future. Or actually, in my opinion, we all should know how to decide a content, because later or in this particular time we all are going to make content, and I think we like should make content because it provides us a clearer and a faster way to grow. And I also think that this one video is going to help you a lot with this particular thing. In this video, we are particularly going to talk about how I decide my content. Well, not me actually, but Raj Shamani, because we are going to read a book called Build on Talk by Raj Shamani, and this is going to give you a lot about content creation. I swear. Reach the masses, and that's what I do. You don't need to be intelligent, you just need to be average, because the only intelligent people who understands intelligent content, the masses prefer relatability. So think in terms of how relatably average you can be. The reason why I got to the point that I am at today is because I am most average and basic young adult you are going to find in India. Most story resonates with the maximum number of people, because I was born in an average middle class family. I was born in an average city, and I had dreams to stand out just like an average teenager. In order to reach the masses, you need to start thinking about how relatable you can be and stop thinking about how you can be intelligent. You don't need to be intelligent to be successful. You just need to start doing things in the most authentic and average way possible, and you need to stay true to yourself. Key takeaways: create the kind of content you want to consume, focus on data and to understand what works and what doesn't. You don't need to be intelligent, you just need to be average and relatable. And also guys, I'll be looking forward for your lovely and beautiful comments and suggestions that what should I change in it so that I can get better at this. And thank you for being here and listen to this.